Hi guys, welcome back to Island Girl Recipes. Today's recipe is a really nice simple one. It's really warming and comforting, and it's called fish tea, fish broth, fish water, depending on which island. It's just a really simple fish stew. So to start with, we need to prepare the fish. I've already washed these with water and lemon off camera. We just want to slice them into pieces. I'm cutting them into about 3. Next, just place them in a bowl. Then we want to add some green seasoning, some sea salt, some black pepper, and some more lime juice. So what makes this fish tea, fish water, fish broth unique is that it actually is cooked with lime juice as well. Give that a mix together, and then we're going to leave the fish to marinate. Next, we want to prepare the base. So I've got a pan here, and add some water, bring that to the boil. And to prepare the base, we want to dice some tomatoes, slice some spring onion, chop some garlic, and chop up our Scotch bonnet. Next, add the tomato, spring onion, Scotch bonnet, and garlic to the pan, and bring it to the boil. Add a little more water and then some thyme. So whilst that is just simmering away, we're going to prepare our bed. I've got some yam, some carrots, some potatoes, and some green banana. We're just going to peel and chop all of these. Once they're prepared, we're going to add them to the pan. Bring it up to the boil again, cover it, and leave it for about 5 minutes till it gets to a nice simmer. After that, check the veg has started to soften a bit. Then we want to add the seasoned fish with all of the flavours from the bowl. In the pan with a little more salt and pepper, and finally we just want to add a whole Scotch. Cover it and leave it to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. So finally we just want to add some butter and mix it in until it's dissolved, and the soup is ready to be served. I forgot to do this on camera, but if you just serve it with a squeeze of lime juice again, that just gives it the final finishing flavour. And that is our fish broth, fish tea, fish water done. So I hope you guys enjoy this. It's a really nice, comforting recipe that you can have any time of year. Till the next time, peace and love.